Yo, what is going on, Pokemon Go players? Hope you're having a fantastic festive break. Now, today's video, as you can tell by the title, and you found it probably because you're searching, but I'm going to show you today how to get free Pokécoins in Pokemon Go. These coins usually cost you a bunch of money and you purchase them within the Pokemon Go store. I've managed to find a Pokemon Go promo code that's going to credit you 10,000 free coins. And it's pretty easy, guys. I'm going to be running through these steps on my mobile phone and putting it on screen so you can all follow along. So let's get into it. As I mentioned, pick up your mobile and open up an internet browser, so just make sure you have an internet connection and go to this website, guys. So type it exactly like this: www.topdogcodes.com, and you're looking for this one here: free coupons and game codes, Top Dog Codes. This website is basically pretty cool. They save you a ton of money on whatever resources for games you want. You can see they got Monopoly Go, NBA 2K, EAFC, basically pretty much anything. If you hit that search bar at the top and search for Pokemon, it's going to pop up here: Pokemon Go, free Pokecoins and more. Click on that page. And yeah, basically this is going to give you a redeemable code, and it's going to credit you the corresponding resource. So you can see it says 10,000 free Pokécoins promo code, and there is also a 20 free Pokemon Go remote raid pass code. So this video I'm looking at the Pokécoins, so I'm going to click on show code. 10,000 free Pokécoins promo code, and essentially, guys, we need to unlock the code. You can see it's protected, obviously. This prevents people from basically stealing unlimited coins. So tap unlock code, and there is a short process we need to complete on the next screen, but it's pretty easy. I'll talk you through it. So it says Pokemon Go code unlocker, and pretty self-explanatory. This is going to unlock our free Pokecoins code. We need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and follow the unlock instructions below each task. So you can see, guys, I have a list of tasks here. Of course, they're all completely free, and it takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete 2 of these. So that's what we need to do. We need to select any 2 tasks you see on this screen and just follow the instructions below each one to basically verify yourself and unlock your Pokecoins code. So I'm going to complete 2 tasks. You can see this one at the top, for example, says enter your email and complete the steps. This one here says download then complete level 8. So there's different tasks. They all vary, but they're pretty quick and easy to complete. So let me do 2 of these and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so with the power of editing, that only took for you a split second, but it did take me around 5 to 10 minutes just to complete those 2 tasks. So just take your time, guys, when you're doing this step, because it is very important to fully complete 2 to ensure this actually works. So if you choose to and fully complete them, when you hit your tabs, you should now see this Pokemon Go tab down on the bottom left from Top Dog Codes. Click on that, and it has now given me my redeemable code, which I can simply, like I say, redeem in the Pokemon Go shop, and it's going to credit me 10,000 free Pokecoins. And that is it, guys. Pretty easy. You need to go to topdogcodes.com and get your personal code. These codes can only be used once. They're unique and they're exclusive. So when you get your code, guys, keep it safe, use it yourself. You can even come back and repeat the process for another 10,000 coins. Just choose different tasks on that page. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. If you got your free Pokecoins, let's see if we can get 100 likes on the video. That'd be cool. Have a great week. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.